Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received a question. Someone wants to know how to print documents from laptop to HP printer. There are two ways to do this. First of all, make sure the laptop and the printer are connected to the same network, and these two are connected to the same network. So what we need to do, you need to go to your file. So select file, open it up. So scroll down and look for the document you want to print out. So I'm going to go to the document I want to print out is in download section. So I'm going to scroll down and look for this document. It's PDF. Open it up. Okay, so this document is 2 pages document. Okay, and you can see it's from Microsoft Word. To print this document out, you need to select file. Okay, so select file. Now select print. Okay, then you need to scroll down to select the correct printer. We are looking for HP Deskjet 2700 series. It's ready. Okay, now this document, if you want to print all, then you select all pages. Okay, and also if you want to print double-sided, you can print double-sided using your laptop. So select print double-sided, long edge. Okay, and orientation is portrait. Paper type is A4 paper, and margin is normal. Okay, print page per sheet. Okay, and select print on top. There we go. So with this printer, you can print double-sided. Okay, but you need to take the document back. Okay, so take this document this way, you print it out and put it back inside. Okay, and from the laptop you need to select continue to print double-sided. So select continue. So this document we printed out double-sided. You can see we printed this out double-sided from this printer. So you can only print double-sided using your laptop with this printer. Another way to print document is for us to go to HP Smart App and select print document. So select print document. It will ask you supported file. Select OK. Now you need to scroll down from the laptop and select where you save the document. The document is in download section, so we need to look for Vinyl TV tutorial. Open it up. Okay, and this is the information we want to print. This document is 2 pages. You can see 1 to 2. Okay, now the next thing to do, you need to select the correct printer. Okay, HP Deskjet 2700 series. Then select orientation, portrait. If you want it landscape, then you need to select. Then page size is A4. Paper type is plain paper. Output quality is normal. If you select, scroll down, you select high quality, but it's currently in normal. Then you select how many copies. Also select print on one side, or if you want duplex printing, is double-sided. Okay, so like I said earlier, I can print double-sided with this with laptop. So I'm going to print one side this time around, and also print all pages. Then you select more option. I want us to print this black, so I'm going to change the color to black or monochrome. Okay, and select OK. Then select print. So this document now, we're going to print this out in black and white, single page each. Here we go. This is Vinyl TV, and this is the second one, Vinyl TV in black. Okay, so guys, this is how to print your document from your laptop to this printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, Please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.